Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and in today's video, this is an exciting one. Items that are always free with coupons. Well, extreme couponing is a very powerful hobby. They say if you spend an hour to learn this craft, hobby, whatever you want to call it, you will save $100. And that is so truthful. And to be perfectly honest, I have been doing this for 10 plus years. You probably can save money in everything you do if you really put your mind to it. And you're here, so you are ready to learn a little bit about how to save money. And this isn't something from a television show that only a handful of people can do. Anyone can save money with extreme couponing. So if you're a newbie, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like this video so you'll never miss another one of my videos, because I do pretty much a video every day on how to save money. So the first pearl of wisdom that I have for you is that there's different rebate apps. Of all of them, these four are my favorite, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Basically, you photograph receipts towards points towards gift cards. You can buy anything from fast food to a grocery haul and get points for your shopping. IBOTTA is very selective, that you're buying certain items on the app and then getting money in return. And then Shopkick is also selective the same way. And then coupons.com is a really cool one. If you do not get the Sunday newspaper and you just can't get your hands on coupons, they have a digital book of coupons that you can use. So you buy the item and then you photograph the item, send it to the app, and then you'll get back like, $2 for buying, some Gain detergent or something like that. All four are very powerful rebate apps. Check them out. For three of them, I have little links if you want to use them for Fetch, IBOTTA, and coupons.com. Unfortunately, I don't have one for Shopkick at this time, but just go to the App Store and download it. You will definitely find one of the four that you like the most, but they're all very powerful tools in the pursuit of saving money. Now, depending where you live in the US, if you're living very rural or if you live in a big city, you have to figure out what store is closest to you, so you're not driving like 3 hours one way, 3 hours the next, because if you're spending an entire tank of gas, that's not extreme couponing, that's called driving. But find a store near you and then just learn the one store that you'll be like, okay, well, this makes sense. Specifically on this channel, we touch on Dollar General, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart, and Meijer. I'm a Midwest girl, so that's why Meijer is at the bottom. I don't have a CVS or Target, so I don't get to even grace the doors of those stores, but there's lots of other content makers here on YouTube that do matchups and haul videos of those two stores. But find what works for you. And I live out in the country, guys, and I'm still finding deals morning, noon, and night. It's not predicated where you live. It's just if you can grasp what we're showing you in these videos, that's when you can start getting a lot of this stuff for free. Okay, guys, so we're just going to go through a list, 6 items that are always freebies. So the first one is dental care. So toothpaste, toothbrushes, or mouthwash, floss even. It's always free at one of the pharmacies. There's always some sort of deal, like, a flyer coupon with a manufacturer. You're getting like a register reward back. So this is always a freebie. Cereal too, especially when a manufacturer like General Mills has something new like this Star Wars cereal. They'll often put out a high value coupon, and then one of the apps, such as IBOTTA, for example, there'll be a rebate at a store like Walmart where a box like this is really inexpensive, or even on a clearance. Pairing it with the rebate and the coupon, it's always typically for free. Tide. This is one at the pharmacies, especially if you shop at like a CVS or a Rite Aid. You build up your bonus cash or your extra care bucks, pairing it with coupons and other, store promotions like a 10 off a 30. This stuff is always really inexpensive, and barely I have to open up my wallet to pay for this. And we're talking Tide, which is a really great product. Body wash and bar soap is often for free as well, with different promotions at the pharmacies. The more that you hyper focus on, like, say, a pharmacy, every week there's always a deal, and often we get Olay for very inexpensive, if not free. Whenever there's an IBOTTA rebate, it's quite the Price is Right dance with that. Deodorant, couple times a year at various stores. It's completely for free for both the men and the women. And ladies, if you want to try the men's unscented speed stick, that's a really great deodorant. I started using it a couple weeks ago. It's fantastic. And another always free with coupons is tampons and pads. Always a freebie. We always find a deal a couple times a year. And when they are free at, like, say, Walmart with Ibotta, that's when you really pounce and go hard on these deals to have a stockpile for 6 or a year's worth. So 6 or 12. So you'll have it for the whole year. Before I take off, just a little crystal ball moment for you. I think hand sanitizer, I've noticed a lot of stores are trying to make it a free item. Like if they have a free item Monday or Sunday, free item. This has been popping up a lot as a free item. I think when the pandemic is over, this and masks, you'll probably get a whole tray of it for less than $1. And if you have an extra care buck or bonus cash or register rewards, throw that in and get it for next to nothing. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.